Hello, welcome to Trade Talks. My name is Yogesh. Wall Street wrapped up the first 3 months of the year in fine form with the S&P 500 clocking its biggest first quarter rise since 1998. Here's what to watch in the coming days as the June quarter gets underway. Ahead of crucial local elections on Sunday, Turkish markets were in turmoil while its currency, the lira, weakened as President Erdogan and his party, Justice and Development Party (AKP), remains eager to retain control over some of the country's biggest cities. The US and China wrapped up a lightning round of trade talks in Beijing on Friday, and next week, Liu He, Beijing's top trade negotiator, will travel to Washington for more trade discussions. Donald Trump suspended tariff increases on Chinese imports that had been scheduled to take effect on March 1st in the hopes he and Chinese President Xi Jinping could nail down a final agreement by the end of the month. However, the timetable for a deal has been fuzzy as Larry Kudlow, Mr. Trump's top economic advisor, said, "If it takes a few more weeks or if it takes months, so be it. We have to get a great deal that works for the United States. That's our principal interest." UK Prime Minister Theresa May suffered a defeat in a third attempt to pass her Brexit deal through the House of Commons on March 29th, originally scheduled as Brexit Day. Had members of Parliament approved her treaty, the UK would have left the EU on the revised date of May 22nd, but the UK now risks leaving on April 12th without a deal. MPs are now set to hold another series of so-called indicative votes on alternative plans to Mrs. May's Brexit deal on Monday. Hiring in US is widely expected to have rebounded in March after nearly grinding to a halt the previous month. Non-farm payrolls are estimated to increase by 170,000, while the unemployment rate is expected to remain unchanged at 3.8%. Average hourly earnings are also expected to remain at a cyclical high of 3.4% year-on-year. The US jobs report comes after the Federal Reserve move in March to ditch rate rises this year, and investors are likely to pay close attention to wage figures in Friday's report. Thank you so much for watching this video. To keep yourself updated about the latest happenings in the world of financial markets, subscribe to our channel. To know more about Brexit and trading opportunities ahead of Brexit, register for our weekly seminars and webinars on www.century.ae. My name is Yogesh. You have a great week ahead.